What's up guys, Earl here for Tech, and if you can remember, Samsung launched its Galaxy S20 series earlier this year, which gave us an early look into what we can expect from that brand on their upcoming smartphones, one of which is the Galaxy Note 20 series. So let's talk about it. So Samsung's Galaxy Note series has been a staple brand for years. They've always been Samsung's biggest and best smartphones. And that is why seeing leaks of this device is still really exciting to see. Thanks to OnLeaks in collaborations with Big2, we got an early look on what we can expect on the Galaxy Note 20 series. So without any further ado, here's everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus, including their potential release date, features, specs, and price. Taking a look at the design and display, these renders from Pig2 and OnLeaks shows off the design of the smartphone from all angles. The front has a center punch hole display with the earpiece on top and a 6.9 inches curved display. The Note 10 Plus still has the USB Type-C port at the bottom, but there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Also, the Note 20 series phones will have the power and volume buttons on the right side, while the S Pen on the other hand will be moved on the lower left bottom side. And the Bixby button appears to be gone for good, and we are not complaining. On the back, we can find a thick camera bump, which may be annoying for me personally, but you can solve that with a good robust case anyway. The camera bump houses a total of 4 sensors, placed in the top right corner in a rectangular shape. While 3 of the other sensors laid out vertically, the 4th depth sensor camera is positioned below the LED flash. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus will obviously be bigger, but less thicker than the Galaxy Note 20, as you can see from the renders. It is also rumored to keep a 108 megapixel sensor, but expect that the Galaxy Note 20 won't have a space zoom camera as featured on the Galaxy S20 Ultra earlier this year. That means no 100 times zoom capability for the Note 20, which we think is fine considering it wasn't terribly practical at the moment. Now, one of the latest and most interesting rumor is that the Galaxy Note 20 series will fit a sub-display front-facing camera behind the Note 20 screen that will disappear when not in use. Though these are just speculations, but if it is true, I cannot wait to try it. And also, if Samsung really does pull this thing off, they will be the first. As for hardware, details about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 specs are slowly beginning to emerge. The Note 20 series is expected to feature a top-tier internal hardware including a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or the upcoming Samsung Exynos 992, up to 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and a large amount of UFS 3.1 storage. It is also rumored to be the first Samsung flagship to feature an LTPO 120Hz screen with a variable refresh rate and a second-generation Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint sensor. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus is shaping up to be an exciting successor to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. According to the Korean publication The Herald, Samsung is rumored to do an online-only Unpacked event in August for the Note 20 series together with the Galaxy Fold 2. So if you are planning to buy this, start saving your money. Because based on Samsung's historical pricing, this device can cost you a lot. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.